digital. And especially getting something so delicate as a computer, as an LED display, something so sophisticated, and we need to make it work, and we need to make it work outside with all of the elements, and we need to make it look really, really good, and then get our customers to understand it. So I'm going to talk a little bit today about the future of it, what's changed, what's evolved, and really what to look for as this sort of new generation of tech keeps changing and growing, and where this market, when we talk about digital, where it's going to go. It's a $12 billion industry. In the next 10 years, they're looking at it to be a $22 billion industry. So the movement and what people are thinking about and looking for when it comes to technology is changing every day, and you have to understand what your client is looking for. So we're just going to go through some bullet points. I'd like to open it up. I'd love to hear your questions. I'd love to hear your concerns. Anything that you have. I want you to leave today understanding digital signage, electronic displays, and what it can do to enhance your business. The future of an LED display is going to be, it's smarter, it's smaller, it's slimmer, it's slicker, and it's simpler. So I want you to think about LED signage the way that we think about that old recorder, you know, a beta tape or a VHS. When camcorders first came out, they were big, they were heavy, you had to carry them on your shoulder, you had to program it, and it took a lot of energy, and it was a huge technology. Think about what your phone can do today. It can do all of that a recorder used to be able to do with your VHS or beta tape, all in the palm of your hand. Every day it's changing. You no longer need the big, bulky cabinets. You now can have that thin, sleek design. You have all of your electronic components put into the face of an LED panel. So you don't have to worry about the depth. You don't have to worry about the fans or the moving parts or the ribbon cables or the multiple connections that could maybe come undone just because something happened. So I want you to think about a thinner, smarter, simpler design when it comes to digital. Software is absolutely huge. We take software, and software now can control our hardware. What does that mean? In the traditional design of an LED display, you have fans, you have cables, you have moving parts, you have multiple connections, you have all of these pieces of hardware that drive it. But if something were to go wrong in an LED display and a panel goes out, you're not always going to know because the components before had failed. So now you have to replace multiple pieces of hardware to make that panel work. In today's design, software can actually control your hardware. So temperatures, we can avoid overheating. Whoopsie.